Antarctica, a land of extremes where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows, and the landscape is dominated by vast expanses of ice and snow. This remote and inhospitable continent holds many mysteries, some of which are only now beginning to be understood. A continent of ice and snow. It stretches out in all directions, a seemingly endless white desert. The ice here is ancient, some of it dating back millions of years, preserving a record of Earth's climatic history. It seems unchanging, frozen in time. The stillness and silence of this place can be almost overwhelming, a stark contrast to the dynamic and ever-changing world we know. Yet beneath this serene surface there is a hidden world of activity. But beneath its icy exterior a secret lies hidden, a secret that challenges our understanding of this frozen continent. Deep below the ice there is a network of volcanoes, some of which are still active, a secret that is fiery and powerful. These volcanoes have the potential to reshape the landscape, melting ice and creating new landforms. They are a reminder that even in the most extreme environments, the Earth is still a dynamic and living planet. Antarctica is home to a network of volcanoes. Scientists have identified over 100 of these hidden giants, many of which are buried deep beneath the ice. Their presence raises important questions about the geological history of the continent and its future. Many are hidden, buried deep under the ice. These volcanoes are not easily detected, and it is only through advanced technology and research that we are beginning to uncover their secrets. They are a testament to the power and complexity of our planet's geological processes. These volcanoes have remained dormant for centuries. The immense pressure of the ice sheet above them has kept them in check, preventing eruptions and maintaining the stability of the region. But this delicate balance is now under threat. The immense pressure of the ice sheet keeps them in check. However, as the climate warms and the ice begins to melt, this pressure is being reduced. The stability of these volcanoes is being compromised, and the potential for eruptions is increasing. However, the world is changing. Our climate is changing. The ice that has kept these volcanoes dormant for so long is melting at an unprecedented rate. This melting is not only a sign of global warming, but also a trigger for geological activity. And this change has the potential to awaken these sleeping giants. As the ice recedes, the pressure on the volcanoes decreases, increasing the likelihood of eruptions. This could have profound implications for the Antarctic environment and for our understanding of the planet's geological processes. The frozen continent's fiery secret is a reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the delicate balance that sustains them. Imagine a world covered in ice. A vast frozen desert where temperatures can plummet to minus 80 degrees Celsius. This is not a scene from a distant planet, but our very own Earth. Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is a place of extremes. It holds 60% of the world's fresh water locked away in its ice sheets. The sheer scale of this icy expanse is mind-boggling, stretching over 14 million square kilometers. That is the reality of Antarctica, a land of ice and snow where the sun barely rises during the winter months, casting a perpetual twilight over the landscape. The ice here is ancient, some of it dating back millions of years. It tells a story of Earth's climatic past, preserved in layers of frozen water. Scientists drill deep into these ice sheets to extract cores, revealing secrets of our planet's history. But beneath this frozen surface there is a network of mountains. These hidden peaks are part of the Gambutsev mountain range, a mysterious and largely unexplored region. Discovered in the 1950s, these mountains are buried under more than 4 kilometers of ice. Their existence challenges our understanding of geological processes, as they resemble the Alps in size and shape. Many of these mountains are volcanoes. Antarctica is home to over 100 volcanoes, some of which are still active. These volcanic peaks rise above the ice, creating a stark contrast against the white expanse. The presence of volcanoes in such a cold environment is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. Some are active, like Mount Erebus. Located on Ross Island, Mount Erebus is the southernmost active volcano on Earth. It has been continuously erupting since 1972, spewing lava and volcanic gases into the frigid air. The lava lake at its summit is one of the few persistent lava lakes in the world, providing a unique opportunity for scientific study. Others are dormant, hidden beneath the ice. These silent giants have not erupted for thousands of years, yet they hold the potential to awaken. The ice acts as a blanket, concealing their presence and preserving their secrets. Scientists use radar and satellite imagery to detect these hidden volcanoes, piecing together a map of Antarctica's volcanic landscape. The West Antarctic Rift System is a key area. This geological feature stretches for over 3,000 kilometers, separating the east and west Antarctic ice sheets. It is a region of intense tectonic activity, where the Earth's crust is being pulled apart. This rift system is home to many of Antarctica's hidden volcanoes, making it a focal point for scientific research. This region is home to a significant number of these hidden volcanoes. The volcanic activity here has a profound impact on the ice above. Heat from the Earth's interior melts the base of the ice sheet, creating subglacial lakes and rivers. These hidden waterways play a crucial role in the movement of the ice, influencing the stability of the entire ice sheet. The ice acts as a lid, trapping the heat and pressure below. This creates a unique environment where life can thrive in the most unexpected places. Microbial communities have been discovered in subglacial lakes, surviving in complete darkness and extreme conditions. These tiny organisms offer a glimpse into the resilience of life and the potential for life on other icy worlds. Our planet is warming. This is due to climate change. Climate change is causing the ice in Antarctica to melt. The melting ice has a significant impact on the volcanoes. It reduces the pressure that keeps them dormant. Scientists believe that even a small amount of ice loss could have a big effect. It could be enough to trigger an eruption. This connection between climate change and volcanoes is a serious concern. The ice sheet acts like a giant weight. It pushes down on the Earth's crust. This pressure helps to keep volcanoes stable, but as the ice melts, the pressure decreases. This can have a destabilizing effect. Imagine a bottle of champagne. The cork holds in the pressure. When you remove the cork, the pressure is released. The champagne erupts. The melting ice in Antarctica has a similar effect on volcanoes. Section 5. The science of volcanic awakening. The process is, well, complex. It involves several factors. One key factor is the release of gases. Magma, the molten rock beneath the Earth's surface, contains dissolved gases. When the pressure decreases, these gases can escape. This can create a buildup of pressure inside the volcano. This pressure can eventually lead to an eruption. Section 6. Echoes of the past volcanic history. Repeating, we've seen this before. During the last ice age, there were significant changes in ice cover. These changes were linked to increased volcanic activity. The geological record shows us this. As the ice melted, volcanoes erupted more frequently. This is a stark reminder of the potential consequences of climate change. We are witnessing similar changes today. Section 7. A cascade of consequences. Volcanic eruptions can have a significant impact. They can release ash and gases into the atmosphere. This can affect air quality. Eruptions can also trigger melting of the ice sheet. This can contribute to rising sea levels. The environmental consequences are far-reaching. The interconnectedness of our planet means that what happens in Antarctica affects us all. Section 8. Charting a course for the future. The situation is complex, but it is not hopeless. We can still take action. We must address the root cause of the problem: climate change. Reducing our carbon emissions is crucial. We need to transition to cleaner sources of energy. International cooperation is essential. We must work together to protect our planet. Section 9. Antarctica, a harbinger of change. Antarctica, the vast icy expanse at the southernmost tip of our planet, is more than just a remote and desolate wilderness. It is a powerful symbol of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Antarctica is a remote continent, often perceived as an untouched and pristine environment. However, beneath its serene and frozen exterior lies a story of profound significance. The ice that blankets this land holds within it the history of our planet's climate, a record of millennia of atmospheric changes. But it is a powerful reminder of our planet's fragility. The melting glaciers and ice sheets are not just a spectacle of nature, they are a stark indicator of the rapid changes our world is undergoing. As temperatures rise, the ice melts at an unprecedented rate, contributing to rising sea levels and altering ocean currents. The melting ice and the potential for volcanic eruptions should serve as a wake-up call. These natural phenomena, while awe-inspiring, are also harbingers of the environmental challenges we face. The carving of glaciers, where massive chunks of ice break off and plunge into the sea, is a dramatic reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. We must act now to protect our planet. The scientific community has long warned of the consequences of inaction. Researchers in Antarctica are tirelessly studying these changes, providing invaluable data that underscores the urgency of our situation. Environmental activists are raising their voices, calling for immediate and sustained efforts to mitigate the impact of climate change. The future of Antarctica, and indeed the world, depends on it. The cracks in the ice are not just physical manifestations. They symbolize the fractures in our environmental policies and the need for a unified global response. The time to act is now, before these cracks widen into chasms that are impossible to bridge. We have the power to make a difference. Through collective action and a commitment to sustainable practices, we can slow the pace of climate change and protect the fragile ecosystems that are vital to our planet's health. The efforts of scientists, activists, and everyday citizens can converge to create a powerful force for change. Let us choose to act before it is too late. The beauty of Antarctica, with its pristine ice and breathtaking landscapes, is a reminder of what we stand to lose. By taking decisive action now, we can preserve this natural wonder for future generations and ensure that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving home for all.